back to my channel today. It's been a minute. It has been a minute since I've done a makeup video situation for you guys. Basically I have no video for this week, so basically yes, I have no video for this week, so this is very last minute, so I'm just sat down with a bag of goodies and obviously cat ears, because no makeup video would be complete without the cat ears and freshly washed hair that doesn't want to do anything. So to start off with any makeup look is primer. I'm just using my No Filter blowing primer from NYX. Honestly the best blowing primer possible. I honestly love blowing primers because it makes my skin look like an instant model. Like, I have no pores, I have no regrets. Okay, so foundation, I'm going to go in with my Matte Poreless. I'm in the shade 102 from Maybelline. I haven't even... Be right back. I need to wet this. But yeah, I'm just going to... I don't know. Dot this, I suppose. Am I dotting it though, really? No, I'm just kind of doing a little bit of this all over my face. Yeah. When even the right shade of foundation makes you look like a freaking ghost. I blame my freckles. My freckles are the only bit of colour to me. Because Lord knows I can't tan. Obviously I can't forget to blend down my double chins, because Lord knows there's many chins involved in this situation. Lord knows we're no celebrities getting facelifts and chin lifts and everything lifted. I forgot to put lip balm on. Yes, I put a wholesome amount of concealer on to conceal every mistake and regret I have made. Honestly, this is how to cake your face in the sun, because there's nothing natural about this. I had freckles. Now I don't. That is a party trick. So I go in with my e.l.f. Undereye setting powder and literally dab that underneath my eyes with a beauty blender, because Manny MUA told me to. Maybe I should just set my entire face with my beauty blender, because I could already tell the difference. Honestly, this is just going to be like a straight 10-minute video of me just going straight at myself. I call myself out so you don't have to. Honestly, it makes the work go around a whole lot easier. Okay. You're a little bit pigmented, aren't you? Although this is like my worst time, it's come out better. How does that work? Bringing it down the neck in like a triangle, which, FYI, I learned from Rihanna herself, so thank you so much. Milani Baked Blush Illumina, so everyone raves about it, I rave about it. Probably not as much as other people, but I rave about it. I kind of just layer this because I just want to shine like a diamond and look amazing, but realistically I just look like a sweaty mess because I have oily skin as well. Relatable. Blending is our friend. I don't want any like harsh lines around my chins because that just overemphasizes the fact that I have like multiple chins. And I know I say that a lot, but like I do take the piss out of myself. Because if I can't take the piss out of myself, then you can't take the piss out of me. That's not fair. It's not cute either. Hi, I'm Fat Jess, how are you? Brow, no brow. It's honestly like two people. Honestly, this is why I don't leave the house with no brows. Because I just don't like an alien without brows on. Why is it that this brow always goes really, really well, and then this one... If I had like natural brows, you know, that's even less time consuming because bam, they're already there. But no, someone in my family decided, oh, let's just not give Jess any brows because she don't need them. Yes, I do need them because I need something going for me right now, and this face is not doing it. I mean, they're not gonna get any better than that, Jess. Let's be realistic. You don't have brows to begin with. This is a good look. Honestly, I'm not even joking. I've generally thought about having like my brows tattooed on because I can't do this, like, in marriage life. Who am I kidding? I need to get married first. Need a man for that, that's funny. What the fuck is that in my smoothie? What are you? I'm going to use this new Laura Geller I Do Cream Shadow Crayon in Copper Penny. I've never used cream eyeshadows, I don't think. If I have, I don't remember it. It must have been tragic. Because I don't remember it. I'm just going to shove it all on my eye basically, and oh wow, oh it's so pretty though. See what this is all about. You feel me? Like, it's a nice colour, but I don't think it's actually blending. It's not. I mean, it is cute, but it's not blending, so I'm just going to go in with my Urban Decay What Are You Beach eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to pick up Daybreak, which is like this terracotta shade. I'm just going to try. Brush, please, thank you so much. Something is happening, I'm not quite sure what, but something is happening. I'm just going to pick up Salt, which is this very top matte bone ivory shade. I'm just going to like buff that as well to blend it out even more, because Lord knows I'm very heavy handed, so I need something to soften this look up. And of course this is my like problematic eyes, so I'm going to be here maybe a year blending this out. Would you believe me if I said that I'm selling my pyjamas? Would you believe me? But do I ruin it with eyeliner? Of course you ruin it with eyeliner. I forgot to put my liquid highlight on. I know what I'll use you for. So, let's be real, I'm not going to be able to do that on my other eye. Let's be real, right. I've put my eyeliner up already. I end up having like a full-on dance beside. I'm just going to go in with my Great Lash Mascara from Maybelline. Ow, the betrayal. Oh, with my soldier on, because pain is beauty. So I'm just going to line my lips with the NYX Lip Liner in the shade Nude Beige. This is like the only nude lip liner that I have, so I'm just going to move my mirror like ridiculously close to my face because I am now blind apparently. So let's overdraw. Time to overdraw these puppies, because I ain't got time for lip fillers, honestly. I'm just going to go in with a Maybelline Colour Sensational 740 Coffee Craze, and I'm just going to pucker up. And then I'm going to go in with a Gosh Velvet Touch Lipstick in 001 Baby Lips. I'm just going to stick this to the centre, just for like a little bit of an ombre stitch. I'm going to finish off the eyes with NYX Adobe Glow Liquid Highlighter in Crystal Glare. Don't worry, it's going to get blended, don't worry. Whatever was in my eye has now gone, so thank you so much for evicting yourself, because you was not paying rent and it was a weird sensation. I'm going to put some under my brow band as well. Now I'm going to stick some on my cupid bow. Yes! So this is basically the end result of my makeup. It wasn't anything professional, it wasn't anything tutorial-like. If you have honestly learnt something from this, I'm shook. So if you did like this kind of video, then click thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe. I'm here every Tuesday with something, with this face, doing something, I know that. If you want to see more like just chilled out, relaxed, unstructured, realistically no goal intended kind of makeup looks like this, where I just sit down and just cake my face, chit chat, do Q&A kind of situation while I'm doing my makeup, then tell me down below. So until next time, I will see you in the next one. Bye!